2024 is almost here, and 2023 has been a year marked by rising interest rates, economic compression, and the emergence of AI and an ever-changing business landscape. With so much change and uncertainty, the importance of planning for the future becomes even more profound. Now imagine having a step-by-step blueprint that not only guides your business through the complexities of 2024, but positions it for unparalleled success. Well, that's exactly what we are sharing today in our step-by-step guide to planning for 2024. This strategic success blueprint will not only lead to more success professionally, but it will enrich and enhance your personal life, so you derive more freedom, the opportunity to spend more time doing the things you love with the people that you love. There are 7 key areas within this blueprint I'm going to share. They are: number 1, you need to review before you preview. Number 2, have 10 more hours. Number 3, goal setting, clear objective targets and align projects. Number 4 are the big rocks, the money maker and the freedom finder. Number 5, these are the pebbles. These are the deliverables of your business. Number 6 is the sand, the key dates for 2024. And number 7 is the one-page calendar. Now I want to reference 2 key people that have shared frameworks within this blueprint. They are Taki Moore and Craig Ballantyne. Both have been incredible mentors, and their wisdom has helped shape a lot of what you will learn today. Now, our strategic success blueprint starts with reflection and identifying the lessons and the insights from 2023 that will give us direction for mapping out 2024. Now, this is an activity I have termed review before you preview, and it involves the reflection and consideration of 5 key questions. I recommend you do this outside in nature with a pen and paper and take your time. The first of our 5 questions: what are your top 3 learnings from this year? Number 2, what is the major bottleneck in your business that you need to solve in 2024? Number 3, what do you need to stop doing in your business for it to grow in 2024? Number 4, what skills do you need to develop in 2024? And number 5, where did we miss the mark on delivering our promise and meeting customers' expectations in 2023? Now, unearth the lessons and let them sculpt the trajectory of your path in 2024. Time is our scarcest and most finite resource, and it poses a significant bottleneck to our pursuit of success. Our to-do lists brim with growth opportunities, yet we're tethered to the constraints of finite hours. No doubt we have grand plans for 2024 and what we want to accomplish, but we must create the space in our lives to make this a reality. We also want to enjoy the journey and not create a vehicle that is overwhelming and stressful. Now, as you can see on the screen, there are 4 boxes. In the top left box is where you list all the tasks within your business that you hate doing. So for me, this includes event management, client cancellation calls, and sales calls with unqualified prospects. Now we move up to the top right box. These are all the tasks within your business that you need to stop doing. Once again, for me, this includes coaching calls with clients at a low level, replying to all my messages and my emails. Now the next box is the bottom left. Now this is titled, what is not your job? These are the tasks that you keep holding on to, even though they should be delivered by others within your business. Now in my business, we have a 2-call sales process. The first call is a discovery call, and the second call is for people that would be a good fit for our coaching programs. Now I have a salesperson and his role is to take the first call. So I need to stop taking that call. The last box is where you list all the distractions that are taking you away from what's important. Now for me and many others, no doubt yourself included, This is scrolling on social media. Now, what I need you to do is I need you to tally up all the hours of the task that you've just listed. And I guarantee that you have at least 10 additional hours in your week. But what do you do with all those tasks listed? 3 key actions await. You want to delegate the task to other team members. You want to automate the task utilizing technology, and you want to eliminate anything that doesn't move you, your life forward. Unlock these additional hours and you'll find the space to propel your business forward whilst preserving your well-being. Now, the next step in our guide to planning for 2024 is to set clear goals, KPIs, and projects for the next 12 months. Now, in crafting this fundamental framework, I draw inspiration from Gino Wickman and his enlightening book, Traction. Now, here's a breakdown of what you need to map out for your business. Number 1, what will be the gross revenue for 2024? Clearly outline what you want to accomplish in the upcoming year. Now, this serves as a financial cornerstone, providing a target to strive for. Number 2, we want to have profit targets. Specify the amount of profit that you aspire to earn from your business next year. Beyond revenue, profit is the true measure of financial success and sustainability. Then we have our KPIs. These are our key measurables. We want to identify 3 to 5 of these that define success for your business. So these could encompass metrics such as the number of clients we have, key partners or JVs, or even the expansion of your business into new countries. Yearly goals. Delve into the specifics by outlining 3 to 7 key goals for the year. Now, these goals should span various facets of your business, touching on growth, team development, system enhancements, and the product service mix adjustments, among other strategic areas. This simple yet powerful format provides a roadmap for your business, aligning your aspirations with tangible, objective, quantifiable targets. It lays the foundation for focused and strategic efforts throughout the year, ensuring that every action contributes to the realization of your overarching vision for 2024. The next component of our strategic success blueprint is identifying the big rocks for 2024. These are the pivotal dates on our calendar that demand top priority. Now, let's break it down into 2 crucial components. Number 1 is the money maker. Now, these are the activities in your business that consistently generate sales. So in my coaching business, for example, it's client events, it's public workshops, it's JV and affiliate marketing. So what are the revenue money-making activities that will drive your business forward next year? Now, for my other business, my gym, this includes transformation challenges, Black Friday promotions, open weeks, seminars, retreats, and outreach and shopping malls. Now, what you need to do now is make a list of all those activities and then set dates next to them on when they will occur. Now, if they're prosperous activities, then don't just do them once. Consider executing them multiple times throughout the year. Now, the second big rock after the moneymaker is the freedom finder. These are the activities that are crucial for your well-being, personal growth, and time away from business. You know, there's this very simple, powerful principle that you need to embrace, and that is the more time you spend away from your business, the more business growth you will have. You need to break it down into 4 levels. First, you've got your weekly activities. So what are you doing to fill your cup up each and every week? Might be self-care, might be date nights, or they might be social activities. Then you've got your monthly activities. So it might be a long weekend or a short getaway. It might be quarterly activities, such as a special trip or a significant experience. And then lastly, you've got your annual activities. And this may be an overseas family vacation. So what you need to do is you need to prioritize these activities in your calendar first. That's why they're referred to as the big rocks, because they need to take precedence and they need to contribute to both your personal and professional success. You see, you take time away, you're going to have more clarity, you're going to have fresh ideas, and you're going to have renewed energy for your business endeavors. Here's your next move. Create a comprehensive list of the key deliverables specific to your business. Determine the frequency of each activity. Assign key dates to these deliverables. By mapping out the pebbles, you not only streamline your operations, but you also ensure a structured and organized approach to providing your product and service. Now, the next step is referred to as the SAND. Now, these are the key dates for 2024. Now, here's a breakdown of the categories for your key dates. Number one, we have learning. Identify the dates for courses, workshops, or conferences that contribute to your personal and professional growth. Then we have our planning days. Allocate time for strategic planning sessions to keep your business on the right track. We then have team development. Plan events or activities aimed at fostering teamwork and enhancing your client skills. We then have family events. Highlight significant family gatherings or outings, anniversaries, and then we have birthdays. Mark the birthdays of loved ones, acknowledging and celebrating these special moments. The very last category is friends. You need to schedule dates to connect with friends so you nurture those important relationships. And then lastly, we have our hobbies. You need to reserve time for those things that you're passionate about, promoting a well-rounded, multi-dimensional self. By incorporating the SAND into your blueprint, you're not just planning for success in your business, but also cultivating a fulfilling and balanced life. In the last phase of our strategic success blueprint for planning 2024, it's time to bring everything together in a one-page calendar. Now, here's how you do it very, very simply. Your big rocks, your money-making activities, you need to assign a distinctive color, such as green, to all your revenue-generating activities. So this makes it easily identifiable at our tasks. Then with our Freedom Finder, we want to use a calming calendar, like blue, to mark the activities that bring you personal joy and freedom. Now we have our pebbles. You want to choose a color that signifies action and productivity for your key deliverables. And then lastly, we have our sand. We want to choose another calendar to represent the 7 sand categories. By color coding your one-page calendar, you create a visual roadmap that provides instant clarity on the balance between work and personal growth and cherished moments. In conclusion, the strategic success blueprint we've crafted today isn't just a map. It's a compass steering you towards unparalleled success. Reflect on 2023's lessons and let them illuminate the path forward. Reclaim 10 more hours, set crystal clear goals, prioritize your big rocks, the money makers and the freedom finders. Understand the significance of the pebbles, the essential deliverables that breathe life into your business. Embrace the sand, marking key dates that balance work and life. You see, this blueprint isn't just about professional triumph. It's about crafting a life of purpose, growth, and joy. And lastly, remember this. You have the power to shape your own destiny. Embrace these strategies and watch your profits soar.